Hi, and welcome to part 2 of our video on insulation resistance test. In this video, we will show you how an insulation resistance test is performed on an actual device. We will program the test on an IR tester. We will show you all the test connections, and we will execute the test. Lastly, we will also look at the test results. Okay, so here's our test setup. On this side, we have our IR tester programmed at a voltage of 1000 volts and a low limit set to 1 mega ohms. And the low limit is what's important here because we want to make sure that the resistance does not fall below this number. And this test is programmed to run for 60 seconds. On this side, we have our DUT. This is a industrial grade heating fan. And we have the line cord of our device under test that's going to plug into the adapter box. And then we have our return connection from the IR tester that's going to plug onto a chassis point on this device under test. Okay, so now we're going to make the connections necessary to perform the IR test. So we have our line cord of our product under test that plugs into the adapter box of our IR tester. And lastly, we're going to connect our return lead to a chassis point, which in this case, I found a good screw. And with that said, we're going to execute the test. The voltage ramps up gradually all the way to 1000 volts. And here you can see the resistance being measured in the mega ohm range. So we have our insulation resistance tests running on this product. And as you can see, 1000 volts is being applied across the insulation. And the important result that we're going to look at is the 13.16 mega ohm number. That's the actual quantifiable value of the product's insulation, which the insulation resistance test actually measures. Okay, so I hope the video was helpful in understanding the fundamentals of the insulation resistance test. As always, if you have any feedback or questions, do reach out to us. And thanks again for tuning in and watching our video, and stay tuned to our upcoming videos.